For comprehension's sake, pro Hearthstone player Blitz Chung donned a mask on a stream in solidarity of protesters and yelled, "Liberate Hong Kong, revolution of our time." In response, Activision Blizzard suspended Blitz Chung from official Hearthstone competition for a year, said it would withhold prize money he was rightly owed, and stated it would no longer work with the two casters who shared the stream with Blitz Chung.
Hello, it's your big Man Tyrone here to say Taiwan #1, China #4.
Taiwan #1. China #4.
And the NBA, more like CBA. China before America. Free Hong Kong. Blizzard is to be melted into a puddle. What are you doing, Blizzard? Have you caught the Ebola? There's a cure for that. And it's
your Lord and Savior here to ask Blizzard what happened. You used to be cool. Activision and the NBA, you were never cool, but now you're not cool with the Chinese flag. Also, I'm Jesus, and all people should be free, including Hong Kong, from the meanie-weenie Pooh Bear ruler of China, Xi Jinping. China, who has a mountain of human rights violations with cameras monitoring your every move, watching you every day of the year. Who do you think you are? Me? I can only imagine what some of my best believers think like.
Hi, this is Gilbert Gottfried, Activision, Blizzard, and the NBA. How does that Chinese penis taste? Sweet like Pooh Bear honey? Big Bro China requires a face scan access. The internet. Here's your glimpse into the cyberpunk dystopian future. Fuck you! Free Hong Kong!
An estimated 1 million Muslims are being held in re-education camps in China's Xinjiang province.
Internal investigation indicates that people were taken to these camps against their will, without any kind of due process.
subscribe to WeirdZoRs, where a ringtail lemur will give you his take on the human race.
要不我们就结束，我们就什么也都不要聊了。然后你随时可以开始，头先低下来。
光复香港，时代革命。